Guided Meditation. In a dimly lit room with shadows dancing on the walls, hinting at the mysteries awaiting discovery, lies a hidden sanctuary. This is the realm of guided meditation, a journey shrouded in enigma, a path less traveled, yet brimming with untold secrets. Imagine a realm where time stands still, where whispers of wisdom echo in the silence, and where the soul finds solace amidst the turmoil. This is the realm of guided meditation, a place where the ordinary transcends into the extraordinary, and where mysteries unravel with every breath. The history of guided meditation dates back centuries, with its use for spiritual advancement evident since ancient times. Some ancient tribes and social groups utilize guided meditation to enhance their spirituality, tapping into the profound connection between mind, body, and spirit. In modern times, the practice of guided meditation became more prevalent towards the late 19th and early 20th centuries. During this period, renowned spiritual leaders began incorporating guided meditation into their teachings and consultations to aid their disciples in spiritual growth. The advancements in meditation and yoga during the 20th century further popularized guided meditation. By the 1960s and 1970s, through the influence of Western practices like transcendental meditation and vipassana, guided meditation became widespread. Nowadays, with the advent of the internet and digital technology, online guided meditation sessions are readily available, allowing people to easily benefit from this practice from the comfort of their homes. Embarking on a journey of guided meditation is akin to stepping into a labyrinth of the mind, where the echoes of chaos and whispers of unrest give way to a hidden sanctuary of peace and tranquility. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of guided meditation, we unlock the doors to our inner sanctum, where profound insights and untold secrets await discovery. To achieve tranquility, adopting ethical aspects is a crucial step. Here are some recommendations that can be helpful. 1. Attention and reflective thinking. Cultivate a reflective mindset and consistently focus on your thoughts. Try to understand your circumstances and explore ways to reach a better state. 2. Patience and endurance. Patience and endurance are vital aspects of attaining tranquility. Showing patience during difficult times and enduring challenging situations contributes significantly to finding peace. 3. Gratitude. Expressing gratitude for blessings, whether from a higher power or in your daily life, is another way to attain tranquility. Practicing gratitude for even the smallest things each day brings comfort to the mind and heart. 4. Self-love. Loving yourself and recognizing your interests is also a pathway to tranquility. Accepting yourself and having confidence in your abilities brings peace. 5. Helping others. Assisting others and making time for them is another important ethical aspect that enhances tranquility. Serving others provides comfort to the heart, and our spirit of service brings us joy and peace. By embracing these significant ethical aspects, you can experience peace and serenity in your life. The practice of guided meditation. Guided meditation involves following a narrator or guide who leads you through the meditation process. This guidance can come in various forms, such as audio recording, videos, or live sessions. The guide's soothing voice and carefully chosen words help you relax, focus, and delve deeper into your inner self. Breath awareness. Begin by focusing on your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing and allow it to anchor you in the present moment. The guide may prompt you to visualize a serene place, such as a tranquil forest, a peaceful beach, or a quiet garden. Visualization helps create a mental space of calm and relaxation. Body scan. This technique involves bringing awareness to different parts of your body, starting from your toes and moving up to your head. It helps release tension and promotes physical and mental relaxation. Affirmations and mantras. The guide may suggest repeating positive affirmations or mantras. These phrases can help shift your mindset and reinforce a sense of well-being and inner peace. Mindfulness. Throughout the meditation, the guide encourages mindfulness, being fully present and aware of your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. This practice cultivates a sense of acceptance and tranquility. The benefits of guided meditation. Guided meditation offers numerous benefits for the mind, body, and spirit. Regular practice can lead to profound changes in your overall well-being. Stress reduction. Guided meditation helps reduce stress by promoting relaxation and calming the mind. It allows you to step away from the pressures of daily life and find a moment of peace. Improved focus and concentration. By practicing guided meditation, you can enhance your ability to concentrate and maintain focus. This improved mental clarity can benefit various aspects of your life, including work and personal relationships. Emotional healing. Guided meditation provides a safe space to explore and process emotions. Can help you release negative feelings, heal past wounds, and cultivate a sense of emotional balance. Enhanced self-awareness. Through guided meditation, you develop a deeper understanding of yourself, your thoughts, behaviors, and patterns. This self-awareness fosters personal growth and empowers you to make positive changes in your life. Better sleep. Regular practice of guided meditation can improve sleep quality by promoting relaxation and reducing insomnia. It helps quiet the mind and prepares your body for restful sleep. Embracing the journey ahead. As we continue to unlock the mysteries of guided meditation, we embark on a path of self-discovery and inner transformation. Each session brings us closer to our true selves, unveiling the depths of our being and revealing the untapped potential within. In future explorations, we will delve deeper into the secrets of the mind and the power of ancient practices. We will uncover the hidden doors that lead to profound insights and spiritual awakening. Until then, prepare yourself for an enchanting journey that awakens your deepest desires and brings you closer to the essence of your soul. Welcome to Session. Guided meditation is more than just a practice. It is a journey into the labyrinth of the mind, where whispers of wisdom and echoes of chaos coexist. It is a sanctuary where time stands still and the soul finds solace amidst the turmoil. By embracing the principles of attention, patience, gratitude, self-love, and service, we can unlock the mysteries of guided meditation and experience profound peace and tranquility in our lives. In this fast-paced world, taking the time to explore the depths of our minds through guided meditation can be a transformative experience. It offers a respite from the chaos, a moment of stillness where we can connect with our inner selves and uncover the hidden treasures within. So, embark on this journey and let the mysteries of guided meditation unfold before you, revealing a realm of serenity and enlightenment. As we navigate the hidden corridors of our minds, the journey through guided meditation reveals more than just calm. It uncovers the profound mysteries of our existence. Each step taken in this tranquil realm brings us closer to a deeper understanding of ourselves and the universe around us. Join us as we continue to explore these ancient practices and unveil the secrets that lie within. By subscribing to our channel, you'll never miss an opportunity to dive deeper into the world of meditation and mindfulness. Stay with us on this extraordinary journey and awaken the true potential within you. Until next time, find your peace, embrace your journey, and remember, there's always more to discover. Don't forget to subscribe and stay connected.